Aaron, my name's Greg. I'm going to be your lead man, your right seat guy, your co-pilot, your instructor,
All right.
your tour guide. We got 3 fun-filled laps ahead of us. The National Corvette Museum Track, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Aaron, let's go ahead and follow that green car. You're in drive. Give a little gas. Let's try practice your thumbs on the grips a little lower, right in those grooves. How's your classroom?
Good.
How's the ride along?
Great.
How's driving a Ferrari on a racetrack?
Cool.
Even better.
Yeah.
So the word of the day is smooth. Smooth in and out of the throttle, smooth in and out of the brakes, smooth and steady with the wheel. Always looking ahead, just like driving on a curvy road. It is Sunday morning. We're in the Ferrari 488 GTB at the NCM track. A little overcast this morning. Sun's coming out, warming up a little bit, but great weather for driving. When we approach the corners, we're going to slow down, right? I'm going to say lift off the throttle. Okay. There are yellow cones out there that remind us where we're going to do that, but I'm going to say lift and brake.
All right.
Into those brakes, smooth and steady, all the way up to the orange turning cone. We're going to melt off the brakes. We're going to turn at the orange cone. No brakes allowed in the middle of the corner, so don't change your mind halfway through, think we need to slow down, because we don't. We wouldn't go into a corner too hot. I wouldn't let you do that. We're going to roll on the throttle, smooth and steady onto the throttle. Head on down to the next corner. Lift, brake, off the brakes, turn the wheel, roll on some throttle. You're going to be working today, earning your turns. Sound good?
Yep.
I have the mirrors to worry about things behind us. You focus on everything out front, just driving. The car's an automatic. It does an amazing job shifting through the gears, making you sound like a race car driver. If these guys in this car are slower than we are, we're going to pass them, right?
Okay.
We'll see Jason waving out the window at us. He's saying, hey, I see you guys back there. I know you want to get around. We got to wait for his passing zone before we can take over that slower car. He's going to point to one side of the car. The other, that's to let me know where we can take our pass. I'll help you out with that. We'll go around the car, one side or the other. Head on down the track. No big deal. If the guy behind us is faster than we are, no problems there. We'll let him go around. I've got the mirrors for that. I'll see if they catch us, if they're staying with us, if they want to get around. I'll let you know if they're going to pass us, where it's going to happen. It's going to be in a safe, straight area. You're trying to get that to cinch up a little bit. It's a little slow. Hopefully it'll cinch up just a little. You would think Ferraris would be a little bit better with seatbelts, especially if we're going to be going fast, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So there's a group of cars doing 3 laps now. That's why we're sitting here waiting. We're staged, waiting to go out and have our fun. Once we do get underway, it is a slow, gradual, rolling start. All the cars will have huge gaps between them, so we got plenty of track out there for everybody. We're not catching anyone too soon. Someone behind us isn't going to catch up to us anytime soon either.
Okay.
So as we start to roll, we're just going to roll a little slower than the green car in front of us. He's going to go slower than the car in front of them, and so on. Like I said, big gaps between all the cars, plenty of track for everybody. Alright, Aaron, we're about ready to get the show underway. Like I said, it's a little slower than the car in front of us. All the way down to pit lane here before we get out on track.
It's going to be a bad habit of me putting my hands up here.
Yeah, just kind of feel those grooves. That's where those thumbs are designed to be in that steering wheel, just like that. You'll be able to make all the corners without adjusting your hands. So just act like you're playing a video game like Forza or pole position or whatever you used to doing. Go-karting, you got your hand on the wheel just going like this.
Yeah.
And I'll keep it reminding you. A lot of people do that. They have their own techniques of like cornering when they're going to get coffee, but we're driving on a racetrack today. So a little slower than the green car, like I said. I know you're anxious to get out there. Let's start getting that big gap formed.
All right.
Continue slower than the green car. Let's build that gap, because the green car is trying to build a gap between him and the red Ferrari. See how this corner goes all the way around over there?
Yeah.
Look at that, the Corvette Museum right off in the distance. See
Right.
the yellow roof with the red spire?
Yep.
All right, so this is after the kink down the straightaway. Next time through, we'll be on the brakes leading up to that orange turning cone. We turn when we get to it. We're close to it. We're no closer than 3 feet from the edge. That means the grass, the cones, the red and white curbing. Keep it on the black part. We won't hit anything, right?
All right, so we're good to go now.
Yeah. So this gradually increase your speed. We're going to head down to the next orange cone. And now we're going to head down to the next orange cone. Stay to your side all the way past this orange cone. Looking straight ahead. No braking needed. We're just going to turn to the right at the orange cone. Back to the orange cone on my side. Over to my side. Now we're headed back to your side. Stay to your side all the way down past this orange cone. You can just touch the brakes a little lightly. Turning to the right now. Past this green one. And back over to your side to the orange cone. Big brakes on this. It's a right-hand turn. Big brakes all the way up to orange. So try not to pump the brakes. You just stay on them until you need to release them. Over to your side, out to the orange cone. Light brakes. Off the brakes now. Turn right. We're going to turn left at orange. No brakes, no brakes. Turn left. Keep looking ahead. Keep on some mild throttle. Turning back to the right. Turning to the right. Stay over to my side all the way down past the orange. Give me some brakes. So remember, don't pump them. Just constant. All the way down to orange. More brakes. Turn left. Look up the hill. Over to my side. So remember, we slow down before the orange cone, not on it. Out to orange. No brakes needed. Turn right. Turn right. Down to this orange cone. Get ready to turn left over the crest. Keep on some throttle. Straight ahead all the way down to orange. Now get ready to be on the brakes all the way up to orange. Brakes. Turning right. Roll on some throttle down the track to your side. We're going to turn right at this orange cone up ahead here, following that green car. Get ready to get on the brakes for me. Bigger brakes, bigger brakes, bigger brakes. Follow the green car. Go ahead, roll on some throttle. On some throttle. Pass on that side, straight ahead. Keep going, keep going. Turning right. Turning left. Stay over to your side of the track. We're going to turn right at the orange cone. Turn right, more right, more right. Stay to your side, big brakes. All the way to your side, bigger brakes. Bigger brakes, bigger brakes. Turn right. Stay to your side of the track. Light brakes. Off the brakes, turn right. Stay to my side. Get ready to turn left. Come out to meet the orange cone. Turning left. Straight ahead. Turn right. Stay to my side. Over to my side. Over to my orange cone. Stay over to my side. We need big brakes on this hard left-hander. More brakes, more brakes, more brakes. Turn left, look up the hill. Over to my orange cone, stay to my side. Back over to your side. Light brakes before the crest. Off the brakes, turn right, turn right. Over to my side, orange cone, my side. Over to your side. Stay to your side, straight ahead. Big brakes for the hairpin turn, all the way up to orange. Brakes, on the brakes. Off the brakes, turn right. Look to your right. Roll on the throttle, over to your side. Stay over to your side. Pass the orange cone, we're going to turn right. Give me on some brakes. Turn right. Straighten it out, and big brakes. Bigger brakes, out to orange. Turning right, looking right. Pass the orange cone. Turn right. Look way the distance, roll on some throttle, straight ahead, stay to your side. Stay to your side. Over my orange cone, back to your side of the track. Stay all the way to your side, all the way to your side. Light brakes. Turning right at the orange cone, turn right. Look ahead. Out to your side of the track. Big brakes, stay behind the green car. He's probably going to let us pass soon. Get off the brakes, turn right. Look ahead, turn right. Pass on your side.
Roger that.
Stand to your side. Turn right. Get ready to turn left. Up the hill to your side. Stay to my brakes all the way up to the orange cone, big brakes, big brakes, big brakes, bigger brakes. Look out your window, look up the hill, turn left. Unwind the wheel, roll out some throttle. Over to my side of the track. Over to your side of the track, turn right at the top of the crest, no brakes, turn right. This is the last corner of the last lap. We're going to turn left, go down the hill straight between the blue cones. Straight ahead, second driveway. Straight ahead between the blue cones. Slow it down, big driveway turn coming in.